Oh, hi. How you doing? Anybody out there got some COVID? Maybe some work stress? Yeah, whatever. Everybody's hungry. Let's make some food. This is some kind of emergency chow, when you just got no idea what to make, but you got a chunk of dead animal. Let me show you what we got. So, I got a dish with half an onion, a few baby carrots, and a little bit of celery. I got... What's this channel without chicken stock, huh? Let's throw in a little chicken stock. And because it's pork tonight, yeah, my dead animal of choice is a pig. Little Marsala. So this whole theme of the channel is that food is easy. Cooking is easy. You just gotta put it together. So here we go. Pork loin. I salted and peppered it earlier today. Let it kind of sit out in the fridge. Lid. I'm not even searing this. I'm just cooking it. Oh, I'm going to be fancy. See, the lid of my beautiful casserole dish has some stains on it, and it doesn't need to get any worse. So, magic Costco oven, bake, 350 for 1 hour. Dinner. Hi. Yes, dinner. It is that easy. So in about an hour or so, that piece of pork is going to be cooked. It's flavored with court bouillon, basically, carrots, onions, celery. Little Marsala, little chicken stock. Ought to be pretty good. I'm going to throw food all over the house. Go ahead and steam that up with some green beans, or steam up some green beans. Microwave some instant mashed potatoes. Oh, I'm such a Puritan here. So yeah, dinner. Everybody's hungry, let's make some food. It is that easy. Chop up some carrots, half an onion, a little celery, chicken stock, Marsala. Serve it with your favorite vegetable and some microwave mashed potatoes. You got some dinner. Yeah, we've been having a little fun. That song, New Job's a Hassle, and the kids have the flu. It's been sure nice talking to you, Dad. Yeah, it's been kind of like that around here lately. But, dinner. It is that easy. We've been doing a lot of reruns, a lot of reviews. So that's it. This is social media. Please be good social citizens and subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Goodbye.